Hello, pit and front ensemble friends again. Good to be back. Quick lesson here today on playing with the bell kit at home, if you have a bell kit. Some people are lucky and they get a full instrument or a piano or a full synthesizer with weighted keys at home. Not everybody's that lucky. A lot of us have the bell kits to practice with. Here's a quick picture of a bell kit. So if you have a bell kit at home and you're looking at this part and you're like, how can I fit this on here? Because if I just took our piece called Foundry that we're working on, I took the Marimba 1 part, and I can play it on the xylophone for you, and then I'll demonstrate how I might adapt it to fit on the bell kit, because the bell kit does not have as many notes on it as your marimba or xylophone or vibraphone would have. All right, so here's the first example. Here's how I might play the part on a xylophone. It fits fairly well. All of the notes that are in the music can be played. Here we go. And now this is how I would adapt it on the bell kit. You can see I've dropped my left hand down in some places to play air notes, and I did the same thing with my right hand up to play some air notes when there were octaves in the part. It's not an exact science adapting your marimba or vibraphone part or xylophone onto your bell kit, but it can be done. You need to have very short strokes, keep it close to the bar, and go slow. Always use a metronome as well. Super important. Even if you have to crank it down, accuracy is important. And what you're doing here is not really practicing exactly how you would play it on your full-size instrument, but you're getting familiar with how the music sounds, the rhythms, and the notes and scales and keys. All the stuff you'll need to know so that when we get together in person and play on a real instrument, we'll be able to have much more success and get things together much more quickly. Thanks again for visiting us. Practice every day. Play music every day.